This month's box is smelling awesome. I can't wait till everybody gets it. Hey guys, Jamie with the Gootzie Project, and I am bringing you a quick look at the July Gootzie box. Got regular and B6 options here. We'll run through what comes in the Just the Stickers kit first, and then head over to the extras that come with the full box. This month has a violet flower theme with some, I believe those are Gerber daisies. Let me zoom y'all in. Ooh, coming in. Okay, so got this beautiful set of date headers in this kind of gorgeous watercolor ombre look, and the weekend banner there is all floral with some glitter on the weekend, and that planner, little planner sticker is so cute there. And this week, and these are the couple large page flags for if you're in the current Erin Condren, not the new one that just started July 1st. And some large checklists. Page 2, always my favorite, is the large sets of washi. So you got a really large one for the bottom, you got a middle size one for anywhere that you want. If you're using like a hourly planner, this can go up on top to help bridge the gap for the date headers, and then just a nice fun little strip for wherever you want to use it. And look at those flowers, aren't they beautiful? And I don't know if it's just me, but the glitter always looks like it's jumping right off the page. And then all your canceled sayings there, and a glass of wine. Page 3 is all your functional stuff, some extra pieces of washi, your to-do headers, your hydration trackers, your weekly, I don't even know what this sticker's called. I either use it for meal planning, so I'll use it to say what meals I'm having this week, or I'll use it for like next week meal planning. So if I'm doing my planning on Sunday, I'll throw that one on Sunday and set up my meal plan for the following week. And some short checklist, threes, and some words to use. So yeah, there you got next week, meal plan. And page 4 is all about the boxes. And you're rounded and you're squared, and it's kind of, this pattern here is just very light and delicate and airy. So I don't know if you can see it there. And then the kind of watercolor violet, it's kind of a purpley gray color. And page 5 is all your full box checklists and your single checklists here at the bottom. And I think this is a papaya. Somebody let me know. I'm not exactly sure what kind of fruit that is because it's not one that I've eaten before. But if somebody knows, go ahead and leave it down in the comments so I know what we're talking about there. And your full boxes, 4 with the kind of faded area in the middle to write in, and 4 more decorative for the week, and then kind of your deco headings. And let's see if we can show you that right there. It is like a little flower header. And the deco sheet with random flowers. These are good for corners here and there. And just some random flower and that mystery fruit over there. And always comes with one foil element. And here is this month's, and this is a rose gold foiling on there, so you can see that. And then your date dots for filling in. So that's the full Erin Condren size. The B6 is very similar. It comes with the same deco, same foil, but instead of 6 pages of stickers, you get 2 sheets of vellum. So you got these 2 sheets of vellum, and this is all B6 sized. And then you have 2 sheets that'll fit in your notebook with a different kind of variety of stickers. So these are 2 long washi sheets. The weekend banner and the planner are the same. Your weekly functional stuff here on date headers, to-dos, a set of boxes, small checklists, a couple full boxes, and then some icons. This is page 2 of the B6 kit. It has all your functional stickers, like your little event and your hydrating trackers, full boxes, clipboards, full boxes with lines, and little half boxes down here. So this is a very functional page in the kit. So that is your sticker portions of the boxes. This month, the 2 planner items was a pencil pouch in a nice gray color and a set of washi. So the washi goes really well with this kit this month with all those pale purples and violets. It's beautiful laid out. And the pencil pouch, then some die cuts. Open this up real quick. You get one of these flowers, one of these flowers, look at that. And they're all kind of in those violet colors. So really pretty floral this month. I don't always do floral, I do it occasionally, but I don't know, I'm a purple girl and I saw this art and loved it, so decided that that would have to work for a Gootzie box. Oh, I'll put that back away in a minute. And then the special treat of the month. You always get one thing that's for yourself and one thing, kind of a personal item, and then one treat. So this month is this lilac bath bomb. It's a 5-ounce bath bomb, so it's really hefty. It's not a little baby one. And oh my gosh, it smells awesome. So if you're getting this box, this is what you're smelling before you open it, because I packaged them all and I swear you could smell it from outside the packaging. So that's part of it. I haven't done a bath bomb in a box in a few months. I think it's been probably 4 or 5 months since I've done a bath bomb, but this one I love. And then a little treat. So you get a little brownie just for the sweet tooth. So those are all on the way. This month is shipping early. So if you're watching this video, your box has already probably been shipped by the time they get this posted. So I hope you all love it. The Gootzie box for August has opened for new subscriptions as of today, July 1st. So it's available from today till July 10th for full boxes, and it's available all month long for just the stickers option. And that's just like the set of stickers that I showed you at the beginning with either B6 or full size. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Leave me a comment if there's something you'd like to see in a future box, or you have any suggestions. I read comments and take them all into consideration when putting together the boxes, because yeah, I'll tell you, it's absolutely one of my favorite things to do is curate these boxes and send that love and joy out to you, to all of you out there. So leave me a comment and I'll see you soon.